Alright, we're starting this next story with the stare off of the squirrel. So I'm going to let him deal with his squirrel problems. As you see what he's doing now. He stands and points just like this. And Mr. Squirrel sits there and eats his food just nicely and does not move. We'll see how this stare off goes. There's a squirrel. There's Chong. There's a squirrel. And there's Chong. He does not move. He's like a statue. This is our problem whenever we see a squirrel. It never... Oh, I had to itch my head. Another bug. We're a little closer. There's a squirrel there. There how he inches a little bit closer. Now he went on the tree. Now Chong goes this way. We'll call that the squirrel stare off. Now he went on the tree. Now Chong goes this way. We'll call that the squirrel stare off.